In the last video, we have discussed that how we can invoke a constructor. In this video, we'll discuss about that how we can pass an instance as an argument in the constructor. Let's start. As you can see that we have declared two classes, one is Java and another one is Python. So our Java constructor is accepting an instance of Python. Now how to pass the instance of Python? So for that we need this keyword. So we will pass the instance of Python from Python class. So now we'll see that how we can pass an object from a constructor to a constructor. So as you can see that we have written two classes, one is Java, within that we have declared Java Python obj. So this Java is accepting an object of Python and we have to call this portion from our Python. So how to call that? As you can see that we have declared a class that is Python, within that we have declared an instance variable, the value of I is 100, and within that we have declared a constructor that is Python. Now we have to call this Java constructor. Now how to call that? For that we have to create an object of Java at first. As you can see that we have created an object of Java and within this we have passing the object of Python using this keyword. So this keyword is referring the current calling object of Python class. So this portion will call this portion and within that we can print the value of I. So the output we'll get, that will be 100. So I think this portion is clear. Let's start with the hands-on. So at first what we have to do, we have to declare another class that, let's say that class, let's say hey. We have declared a class that is hey, and within that we declare a constructor that is hey, and it will accept an object of hello class obj. So we'll declare an instance variable within this int a equals to 100 system.out.println obj.a. Yeah, now how to call this hey? So for calling this hey, at first we have to declare a constructor of hello, and now what we'll do within hello, we'll declare an object of hey and we'll pass the current calling object of hello. Let's say this. For passing the current calling object, we have to pass this. So it will pass the current calling object hello and it will accept the current calling object here and it will print the value of a from hello. So let me compile this code. I think this portion is clear. Everything is correct. Okay. Let me compile this code. Java say hello.java. Successfully compiled. Let me run this code. As you can see that we have got the output. So this is how we can pass an object as a parameter from a constructor. So I think this portion is clear. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.